Guys, what's up? What's up? This is my very simple Instakill machine, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. But first, I'll show you how this works. For the first victim, oh, he's building a nice tank. Oh, is it log? Alright, he's gone! Oh, he turned on isolation! But he really disappeared, yeah! Oh, what about this guy? Is he building a nuke? Oh, yeah! Hey, let's try again! Don't run!
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back!
Oh, is it shooting me? Whoa! That mech is helping this guy, huh? Hey, come back! Oh! He turned on isolation! Look who's here, guys! It's Lava Flows!
Huh?
Alright, yeah! Sorry! Oh, he wants some more, huh? Boom! So that's how it works, guys. Now time for me to teach you how. So place 10 blocks like this. So even without scale tool, you can build this. Delete the first 10 blocks. Place glue. Place it. Turn off collision. And yes, I recommend add some more. You can mirror, or if no trowel tool, just create another one of this. But me, I use mirror and I created a shape like this. You can create your own or make this even bigger. Now we have a set. Then place a block at the middle. Place 8 more blocks like this. Place it here, then place switch. The switch is for the glue only. Make this transparent. For the switch, I prefer 75% transparency. By the way, this is how it works. And check anchor of this. Press switch. There you go! Easy and simple, right? Now you can create a marker if you want. For example, like this. I simply clone these blocks, change color, and make transparency to 75%. You can design your own marker if you want. Make sure the marker will not touch the set. So this is how it looks with a marker. If done, save and reload. So sit here, place cake like this between you and the block. Like this, okay? And check anchor. Now you can walk with this. As you can see here, I created this design. Again, you can make your own. Alright, let's try again. Yeah! So this is how it looks while walking. Alright, got a victim. Oh, yeah! Oh, there he is again. But this can only use once. It's useless now. So what we gotta do? We can add some more sets. So clone it, or if no trowel tool, just build it again on top. Same position like this. So here I created 3 sets. You can add some more if you want. You can also put this in a vehicle, just like this, a beginner's boat. So I won't look suspicious, right? So let's try this. Gotcha! Yeah, another set for you! So this also works for 2 or more people! Yeah! Alright, they're gone! Oh, they're turned on isolation! Yeah, this thing doesn't work on blocks or vehicles and to a sitting person. So that's the weakness of this. Well, because this is really simple, right? So there you go. I hope you learned something, guys. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!